This is the book of Luke, chapter 21, verse 11, and it reads through the Holy Scriptures. And great earthquakes shall be in diverse places, and famines, and pestilence, and fearful sights, and great signs shall there be from heaven. Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Wakakadash. Double honors to the elders for preaching this word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim, scattered in the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. And I say shalom to your Akim out there. And this is a sit-down lesson that I wanted to bring out from the Jerusalem Post and published March the 4th, 2023 by Reuters, and it reads, magnitude of a 6.9 earthquake strikes Kermadec Islands in New Zealand. If I pronounce the name right, Salakia, the USGS reports an earthquake of a magnitude of a 6.9 struck the Kermadec Islands region in New Zealand on Saturday. The United States Geological Survey, USGS, says the quake was at a depth of 152 kilometers and 94 miles, the USGS says. And it says the European Mediterranean Seismological Century early estimated the magnitude at 6.6 at a depth of 183 kilometers. And this is the book of Second Ezra in the Apocrypha of the Holy Scripture. Therefore, when there shall be seen earthquakes and uproars in the people in the world, right? So that's what we're seeing, a increasing high magnitude of earthquakes in diverse places, as the scriptures has said. He's seeing great earthquakes in diverse places and a high increasing magnitudes of earthquakes in diverse places around the world. So we've definitely been seeing a increase of more earthquakes around the world, as this recent earthquake over there in New Zealand of a magnitude of a 6.9 in the islands region of New Zealand. So with that, this was just a quick sit-down lesson that I wanted to bring out of this recent news just came out of the islands of New Zealand, and it was a magnitude of a 6.9 earthquake. So with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Wakakadash. Double honors to the elders for preaching this word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim, scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. And until next time, I will say shalom.